Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add OneDrive as a remote destination in BackupBuddy. Now the first thing you want to do is navigate to the BackupBuddy's destinations page. You'll want to click the Add New Destination, click on OneDrive, click this button right here, and you'll see a pop-up asking you to sign into your OneDrive account. And then after you enter in your credentials and you log in successfully, copy and paste the code given to you into your BackupBuddy settings and then click the Link Account button. Now be sure to configure your OneDrive settings and then click the Add Destination button at the bottom of your screen. You'll now be able to use OneDrive as an off-site storage location for your BackupBuddy backups. Hey, thanks so much and have a great day.